Ah! Oh, Fulu, what's happening? But something is wrong. I'm here. Let's get her. Let's get you up. Lay her down properly.
I feel dizzy.
I've got you. Don't move. Easy, easy. Breathe slowly. You can. Stay with me. You're stable now. I don't feel okay. You went through a lot. This is not normal. My body doesn't feel like mine. That feeling will pass. Just breathe, Nwananga. You need rest now. We're taking her home. I'll stay with her. Please don't leave me. I won't. Come back if anything changes. Thank you, we will. Slowly, Nwananga, we are here. Home feels different now. Just breathe. One step at a time. Sit here, Nwananga. I can't think properly. You're safe now. My mind is too loud. Let it settle. We are here with you. I'm scared. Someone is here. I don't like this. Not again. Good evening. I'm from the Department of Health. We are listening. It's getting serious. They're not playing anymore. What's going to happen now?
I'm here regarding the report.
Yes, officer.
Do you understand why we are here?
Yes. We need full cooperation.
She will speak when ready.
Don't rush her.
This cannot wait. This cannot wait.
I know. Oh, I will speak. It's okay. Everything started that day. You didn't sleep at all. Not even a little. We don't have time to break down now. I feel like I'm breaking. You are not breaking. You are facing it. Today, everything comes out. I'm scared, but I'm ready. We are here with you. We will face it together.
We go directly to them.
They might deny everything.
That's expected.
She is vulnerable.
And we will protect her.
Good. We need to act now.
Agreed. Let's coordinate.
This must be handled properly.
And without delay. You've been quiet. I'm thinking. About what? That day. We said we don't talk about it. This feels wrong. Nothing is going to happen. Rendani, Mashudu, Shoni. What now? What do you want? We need to talk. This doesn't look good. You know why we're here. We don't know anything. You've been named. For what exactly? Don't play games. We didn't do anything. You were all there. Prove it. She is pregnant. That's not our problem. It is now. The truth is, you were there. You don't have proof. This is bad. You think this is a joke? We're not scared. Calm down, Mashudu.
So you're denying everything.
This doesn't involve you.
It involves justice.
You don't know anything.
I know enough.
Let's go.
No one is leaving.
One of you will speak. No one is saying anything. We're fine. We're not. Shony, keep quiet! I can't do this!
They are lying.
Let them speak lies.
I feel angry.
That anger is truth. I won't stay silent. Good.
I'm ready now.
You're all coming with me.
For what?
For questioning.
This is wrong!
No, this is justice.
This is only the beginning. We're finished.
Get in now! Get in now!
Out. This is unnecessary. Move. We'll cooperate. I don't like this. Let's start simple. We already told you.
You haven't told me anything yet. We don't know what you're talking about.
She is pregnant. That's not our problem.
It became your problem the moment your names came up. You can't prove anything.
They're there now. Yes. What if they lie?
They will. But truth doesn't disappear.
One of you talks now. No one is saying anything.
Stick to that. I can't.
Look at me. You want to carry this alone? No.
Keep quiet!
This ends today.
I can't lie anymore! Sit down! No! Shoni! It wasn't supposed to happen like that!
Say it clearly. We were there. This is not over. I told you.
You just made it worse.
No, this changes everything.
You think this is where it ends?
This is not over.
I know.
It's just beginning.